Well, it's a grand semi-final owned by New Zealand versus South Africa. As we have seen that South Africa was unbeaten. But right now, the way New Zealand won it, it's fantastic. And we can see that the people over here, the fans over here are all crazy right now. By the way New Zealand played today, it will, if India goes to final, then it will be easier. Then it will be easier for India, or it will be tougher for India.
Nothing is easy for India and difficult. It's India champion. India is going to win the cup and bring it to back home. Exactly. Defend the cup. Exactly.
India has got that advantage of playing the last T20 series against New Zealand in their home grounds, right? So they have played their match in Ahmedabad. They'll try to give it back to New Zealand. All the best, India! Come on, win!
So we can see people over here, those who are here in the stadium to watch the match of New Zealand and South Africa. But they are talking less about this match, and they are saying that India will win and India will go to the finals, will play with New Zealand and defeat New Zealand in the mega finals of the T20 World Cup in Ahmedabad. So people are all crazy, getting crazy as a night. So I want by come. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Narendrapur.
Narendrapur. So have you enjoyed this match?
A lot.
A way New Zealand played, if India goes to final, it will be easier or it will be tougher for India in final? Easier. Why so?
Because till now, before the semi-final, South Africa were unbeaten, while New Zealand were not unbeaten. They had lost one
They
game.
won against Afghanistan and the small teams. But they have played exceptionally well in today's match, right?
Yes. Especially Finn Allen's knock of 100 runs in the last ball.
It's one of the record in the T20 World Cup, and right now we can see lots of fans are coming over, and they are in Indian jersey and they are all cheering. I can find over here one man who is in New Zealand jersey.
I used to stay in New Zealand before. That's why. I stayed for 5 years there. In Auckland. Auckland. Yeah.
So you are Indian.
Indian, yeah. I came in India match on Sunday I came.
So what do you think? India will go to finals, and after that India and New Zealand.
Yeah, India will go to finals. Then I will support India only, not New Zealand. Yeah.
Okay. So the people over here are getting crazier because as the match ends and the vital semi-final one of the T20 World Cup is in end, and right now the Eden Gardens are getting crazy after this match because as few of the people have said that they want New Zealand to be in the final. Few said that South Africa they want. But right now, after being unbeaten in the T20 World Cup, finally in the knockout stage, in the semi-final, South Africa has already lost it, and New Zealand right now is in the final of the T20 World Cup. Whether India go or not, that we have to see. But right now, lots of crazy fans. Well, I can see one fan over here with the Chennai Super Kings jersey. Why this Chennai Super Kings jersey today?
No, because Deval Brevis is playing for South Africa to support CSK and South Africa.
And also Rachin Ravindra.
Yeah, Rachin Ravindra is also playing.
No, he's from CSK, right?
He's supporting New Zealand.
Okay, so do you think that New Zealand will be the easier side for India if India goes to final?
Not at all.
Because that's the final high pressure game and always be the crucial, as not in part in the one way as New Zealand won it today. And it's a very very crucial and a different amazing innings by Finn Allen as well. And we can see that the match has ended, but right now the people over here, the fans over here, all are celebrating this New Zealand's win. And they always celebrate because Kolkata is the sports crazy city.